Hello students, now in today's class we are going to continue our first chapter, that is large numbers. The page number 68. In page number 68 we are going to continue our class. Okay, so see this, the first one is, let us look at the following pictorial representation. In your page number 68 of your maths textbook, in your textbook, so he has given, let us look at the following pictorial representation of numbers. Okay, in this one there is a small box here. This is telling 1, this only one box, and it is telling it is 1, 1, means it's like ones place, like that. And there are here a column of boxes here. Okay, it is telling 1, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes are there here. It is telling 110. There are 100 in this. It is telling 100. This is telling this. It is like how? It is like cuboid. It is telling 1000. So this is like a cube, not cuboid. It is telling 1000. So 10 cubes like this. These are 9 and here it is 10. 10 cubes is telling 10,000. Okay. So let us solve. You have to remember this one. This box shows 1. This 10 boxes show this is 10. This will show 100. This cube shows this is 1000. This all 10 cubes show this is 10,000. So 10 boxes like this. Okay. So next one is, he has given some boxes. You have to solve them. Okay. Some more 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. Some more 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. Here in this one he gave, so this box means 1000. Okay, this box means 1000. He gave 1000 plus he gave this one 2 hundreds. Hundreds box are 2. 1200 equal to 1200, 1200. Similarly, this is for example. In the next one he gave, what he gave? This box means 1000. So he gave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12,000 means 12,000. 12 boxes of value 1000. That means it is 12,000. Next one he gave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What are these boxes? These are 100 boxes. 100 boxes are 8. This is 12,000. This is 800. Next one is 10 boxes. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. That is 30. 12,830 is the answer. So he wrote in the word form number name 12,830. Similarly, in the next box, in third box, what he has given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 boxes. That means first 6 boxes represent 6,000. Next 100 boxes are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 700 boxes means 700 plus 2. 2 small boxes. 1 means 2. This one. These are 2. How much is the answer? This is 6,000. This is 700. And this is 2. 6,702. What is the number name? 6,000 702. 6702. That is a number name. So in the previous one, here he has mentioned the process how to do. This one you have to solve. For this, the answer is 6702. The heading is fill in the blanks with appropriate numbers and number name. We have solved that one and we have wrote the number name. Okay. So up to here completed. Next one is, what is next one? This is very simple. You have to just remember which box represents which number. Okay. Then you can solve by without seeing also. It's very easy. Okay. Numbers on the abacus. Numbers on an abacus. So let's learn the numbers, how to represent in the abacus form. If abacus is having some beads, in which place which bead is there and what is its value, let us see now. Okay. Once again, I am revising some points. The greatest 3-digit number is how much? The greatest 3-digit number is how much? 999. Okay. After that, what is after 999? 1000 only. From here, four-digit numbers are going to get started. So the greatest 3-digit, he said 3-digit number. Which 3-digit number? Greatest one. These two are the keywords here. This one, these two. If you can understand that, you will mark the correct answer. Okay. These can be asked in your fill in the blanks or like that. Okay. Or match the following. Next one. Here you know, this is called this is the ones place, this is the twos place. I will draw on the board so that it will be very clear for you. So 999 plus 1 equal to how much? 1000. Okay, right? Here let's see how to represent this 999 and 1000 in your abacus form. Okay, 1 minute. See here, 1, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, this is ones place. Here in tens place also, here it is 9 beads are there. These are called the beads. The ball like structures are called beads. Okay. Here see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. All should be at the same level so that you will not confuse. Okay. Once again, I have to draw this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are 9. Okay. These are also how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are also 9. In which place? Tens place. In hundreds place, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 in hundreds place. 9 into which place? 100. 900. Here 9 into 10. 90. This is 9. This box will represent 9 into 100. this will represent 9 into 10, and here this will represent 9 into 1. What you will get after adding 9 into 100 means 900, this one completed, plus 9 into 10 means 90, plus 9 into 1 means 999. Okay, so this one is hundreds place. Here one bead value equal to 100, here one bead value equal to 10 in tens place, in here one bead value equal to 1. So like that it will continue for large numbers. Okay, so from this 999, how you will get 1000? So you have, for this you have to add one more. Yes, (999) plus 1 equal to 1000, no? So here you have to add 1, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, you will add 1. How much is the total value? You will get 10,000. 10,000 means you can write here in 1000 value, you can keep 1000 value, add one more here 1000 and write 10 beads and take, or else take next like this. This is 1 2 3 4. Here you can take, this is thousands place, this is hundreds place, this is tens place, this is one place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is thousands place, no? You are not writing 10,000, you want only 1000. Okay, so what I can do, I can keep only one bead here, one bead in thousands value, that's all. Or else what you can do, if you don't want this, instead of keeping 10,000 value here, you can do directly by keeping 10 values, 10 beads, 10 beads in 100 value, means 100 into 10 equal to 1000, no? Or else you can keep thousands value also, or you can take 10 beads in hundreds place also. Like this also you can solve. Okay, next one, so next one is, he has given some example. What is that example? Let's see. He has given some number 6721 equal to, how can you write that? 6000 plus 700 plus 2 tens plus 1 ones. Okay, this is 1 so this is 6721. So you have to represent that in the abacus form. Okay, how can you represent that one? So take this 6000 means 6 beads in thousands place. So 6000 means 6 beads in thousands rod. Okay, next 700 means 7 beads in hundreds rod. Clear? Means 700 means each bead value is 100 in hundreds rod. Here each bead value means every single bead in thousands rod is 1000, its value is 1000. And in tens rod, I will say it clearly after drawing. This is 2 beads in tens rod. Next one means 1 bead in 1 rod. This is hundredths rod, tenths rod, ones rod. Okay, this is that 6,000 means 6 beads in thousands rod. Each bead value is 1000. Okay, 700 means 7 beads. Beads means ball. One ball value in this hundredths rod is 100. In thousands rod, one ball value is 1000. In tens rod it is 10. In ones rod it is 1. Every bead value. So if I want to represent it clearly for you, I will represent it here. See here. 1 minute. So if I want to represent this one, this is ones rod, tenths rod, hundredths rod, thousands rod. Okay, here 6,000 means 6 beads in thousands rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here each bead value is 1000. This is 1000. This is 1000. This is 1000. So 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000. Total you will get 6000. Okay, means here each bead value is 1000 here. Next, in hundredths rod you want 700, means 7 beads in hundredths rod. Each bead value is how much? 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here each bead value is 100. 100, 100, all hundreds, means 7 beads means 700. Okay, 2 tens, 2 beads in tenth rod. 2 beads, 1, 2. This is 10, this is 10. How much? You will get 20. So the value is 20. This bead value here in tenths rod is 10. In ones rod it is 1. Here each value is 1. That's why like this you can represent this 6721 in 6700s, 2 tens plus 1 in this form. In abacus form means this is the abacus form. Okay, like this you can represent that one. Okay, this is example. So don't confuse with the size of the beads. Okay, you should count how many beads are there. Okay, one may be up, one may be down. That's not the problem. Ultimately you should understand how to represent a number in abacus form. Okay, that's all. That's all. Okay, next one is the number can be written in word as 6721. Yes, you can write that number as how much? Just now we have written 6721 is 6000. Just write the number name 6700 and 6721. That is the number name. Next one is what? The greatest 4-digit number. What is the greatest 4-digit number? $9,999. Because what you have to understand here is just only 2 keywords to understand what is that number. What he said, this is four-digit number. Which 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number is 9,999. Okay. Next one, what you have to do? 9,999 plus 1 is how much? 10,000, no? Clear? How? 10, 9 plus 1 10, here 9 plus 1 10, here 9 plus 1 10, here 9 plus 1 10. You will get 10,000. What is 10,000? It is 5-digit number. Clear? 10,000 is 5-digit number. So when you are entering the numbers up from starting from 10,000, there is one more rod introduced in your abacus. What is that rod? Just now we have seen. So take this. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Starting from the number starting from 10,000 means the numbers equal to 10, the number equal to 10,000 or greater than 10,000. You can't represent in thousands form. So it will be, if you are keeping a rod, hundreds rod or thousands rod, and if you are going to keep 1000 means 10,000 means you have to insert 10 beads in that. It will become very long, no? So that's why take one more rod and keep it 10,000. It will be very easy. It will not be very lengthy. So you should not count 1, 2, 3. How many? 20,000 means how can you represent here? Like this you can represent. If you want to represent that in thousands, you have to keep 20 rods, 20 beads. Okay. So in order to reduce our work, just if you keep 2 beads here, it will become how much? Each bead value here equal to the place value. How much? 10,000, 10,000. This will become 20,000. Okay. This is coming from, so here see this number also, ones place, this is tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, this is 10,000s place, 10,000s place. That's why we have inserted these numbers in 10,000. Okay, clear? So you can represent this one in thousands rod also, but you have to keep 10 beads, which is very long. If you want 20,000, how can you represent in thousands beads, 1000 rod? You have to keep 20 beads. It will be very lengthy. For counting it will take so much time. Instead of that, keep one more rod and keep it 10,000. It will become 10,000. That's all. Okay, this is a step by up to 9,999 only you can represent in thousands rod. Okay, after that you have to keep one more rod here. Okay, similarly for 999 only, you can up to 999 only you can represent in hundreds rod, means 110 1 up to 999 only you can represent in these 3 rods. If you want plus 1, that will become 1000. For this you have to keep the new rod. Okay, from here 4 digits are starting, no? That's why 4th rod will come here. 9,999 plus 1 equal to 10,000. So here up to 9,999 only you can insert in these 4 rods. So up to here only 4 digits will complete. From 10,000 you will get 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5. So that's why you have to insert one more rod, that is 10,000 rod. Okay, clear? Like this you have to do. So that next one is, so let us see how to represent 10,000 in the abacus form. Take this 1 2 3 4. This is 9. Okay, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is 9, means this is 90 plus 9, 99. Here let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are also 9 bits, means this is 900, this is 90, this is 9. Here each bead value is 100 here. Here it is 10, each bead value is. Here it is 1, each bead value here is 1. Okay. This one shows this hundreds place, means it will show that this each bead value in this hundreds rod is 100. Each bead value in this tens rod is 10. Each bead value in ones rod is 1, like that. So in thousands also, if you want to represent 9999, this is how you have to do. 9999. Okay, that's all. And the colors for these beads is also changing. I can't represent it on board, so see your textbook page number 69. You can clearly understand each rod has different color. That's how you have to remember how to arrange them in abacus. So plus 1 plus, this is 9999 plus 9999 plus 1. Only ones place, 1 bead only there. 1 into 1, 1. So what you will get here? 1 2 3 4 5. Up to 4 digits, thousands rod is enough. Plus 1 means how much you will get? 10,000. This will represent 9999. This will represent 1. This number 1, only 1. So from here you are getting 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5. So fifth rod also you should get, no? So that's why I have drawn 1 2 3 4 5. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. This is 10,000s place. So instead of doing all this, drawing one abacus representing 9999 and drawing one more abacus representing 1, you can just take fifth rod, that is 10,000 rod, keep 1 bead in that. Each bead value in this 10,000 rod is 10,000. Okay, so that's very simple. The numbers starting from 5 digits, the numbers which are having 5 digits should be represented with 5 rods. Okay, starting from 10,000, 1000, 100, 10, 1. Okay, that's all. This is very easy, and each bead is having different color in every rod. Once look at that also. Here in thousands place we are having blue color balls, means beads. In hundreds place red color. In tens place green color. In ones place it is some near to gold color, like that. Okay, so you have to look at them, what is the difference, which color it is there, and which rod we are inserting which color. You have to represent like this. Okay, on board I can't represent all those colors, no, so that's why I have represented nominally. Okay, so you have to just see. So see one number and see what is its value, how many beads should be inserted in which place. Means here 6721 is there, no? In thousands place how many beads? 6 beads. In hundreds place how many beads? 7 beads. Okay, in tens place 2 beads. In ones place 1 bead, like that. If you are able to understand that, so once expand this one, 6721, you can easily understand that.